Right now, Bitcoin is pumping again. Of course, we have broken out of this falling wedge pattern. We have broken our descending triangle. We have also created this RSI bullish divergence. And we broke above this resistance, which we all shared on my Twitter profile yesterday. And also, even the funding rates are starting to get negative once again. And this is all causing this huge pump in the Bitcoin price. But we are right now running in towards this huge resistance level. So the real question right now is if this parabolic trend is going to continue and if we are going to be breaking this resistance right now towards the upside, or if we can get a rejection right here towards the downside and our 25k level is still going to get reached. So guys, without further ado, can we break a new record and smash the likes up above the 50 likes? And let's jump right into our analysis. So a very interesting thing right now that we can be seeing is that actually Bitcoin is right now pumping, while the stock market is still currently, kind of dumping and is seeing a short-term bounce. But in the end of the day, well, Bitcoin is pumping a lot more than the stock market right here. Okay, so this is actually a very interesting thing that we actually do want to be having a look in towards. Because what this is telling us that, well, Bitcoin is currently not pumping because of the stock market, but because of other reasons than the stock market. Alright, and in the intro, I exactly shared why we are currently pumping, because we are currently getting so many signals that we're suggesting for this Bitcoin pump. And also the funding rates are right now flipping negative, which was the thing we wanted to see in order for us to flip bullish. And right now, this basically means that there are more shorters than longers in the market. And guys, what we do know is that the majority is usually wrong. So this would mean that we are actually going to be seeing further increases in price to liquidate all of the shorters that are right now in the market. Okay, so yeah, we took this very nice long position. Right now, my position is way more in a profit than right here. But the main question is if we are going to be breaking above this resistance right here, or if we are getting this rejection. Well, for that, we want to be having a look in towards a larger trend, because having a look in towards a larger trend on the 4-hourly time frame, well, we can still see that we are actually in this downtrend. And yes, we might be flipping it around right here, because right here we have been creating a higher high, but we still do want to be seeing higher lows and higher highs being created. And right now we still have not yet seen any higher lows being created. So we are still technically in this downtrend on the 4-hourly time frame. And then purely having a look in towards market structure, well, it would be more likely that we are actually going to be getting a rejection from off this level. Then having a look into our momentum indicators as well, it still looks like we might still have some more downside to go. On our 3-day time frame, well, we can still see that the MACD indicator might still get some more downwards momentum, as well as the money flow index indicator. We still have a lot more room to go towards the downside, as well as the RSI indicator. Now on the daily time frame, you can be seeing that right here at this fractal right here, we also saw a little bit of a relief rally towards the upside, which we are currently as well seeing right here in the short term. So this is perfectly normal. During a downtrend, we might be seeing some relief rallies towards the upsides. And in that case, this push towards the upside might just be a relief rally for a larger downtrend. Alright, but I would say this whole scenario would be invalidated if we can actually break above this resistance right here. If we can be closing a 4-hourly candle above, well, that would mean we are breaking above our resistance, and that would for me invalidate these scenarios right here of still more downwards momentum to come. Okay, and this scenario would still be very possible, because if we have a look into the 4-day super trend indicator, well, we are still in this uptrend and we do not want to be ignoring this uptrend right here. And in a downtrend, you can be seeing that you wanted to be shorting the market, and in an uptrend, you always want to be longing the market. And then whenever we can actually be breaking this resistance level right here, well, I would say first of all, we can be expecting these stops right here. We can be going all the way back towards the 31k level. But in the end of the day, what my target would be is this weekly resistance level. I would expect weekly resistance level once again to get hit. And whenever we will be hitting this weekly resistance level, we want to be re-evaluating the market once again and want to be having a look in towards if we can be breaking it or if we are getting another rejection once again. Okay, so it looks to be like we are currently breaking above the resistance level. So I will try to upload this video as soon as possible. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date. And guys, with that being said, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.